Hello class, today we will do the map pointing of North America. First, before we start with the map pointing, we must know the position of North America. It is located in the northwestern hemisphere with a latitude of 7° north and 84° north, and longitudinal extent is 20° west to 180° west. You can easily see the position of North America on the globe. If we see North America at a glance, we will see that it has an area of 19 million square kilometer, carrying a population of 533 million, having important oceans surrounding it like the Arctic, Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean, important gulfs and bays like Hudson Bay, Gulf of Mexico, and important mountains like Rockies and Appalachian Mountain. We know that North America is the third largest continent after Asia and Africa. Today on an outline map of North America, we will mark and shade some of the points. The points are Rockies, Appalachian, Pacific, Arctic and Hudson Bay. For that, you have to get this outline map of North America with latitude and longitude marked on it. Next, we will locate the point. The first point that we are going to mark is the Rockies Mountain. The Rockies Mountain is extending from the Alaska Range to the Panama in the south. So here with a dark brown pencil color, you will mark the Rockies Mountain on the western coast of North America. Rockies is also known as the Western Cordilleras, spanning over USA and Canada. The next is the Eastern Highland or the Appalachian Mountain. So that also you will mark with your brown color, which is also known as the Eastern Highland. Just it is dividing the Atlantic coast. Here you have the Atlantic Ocean. So it is dividing the Atlantic coast with the central lowland, this Eastern Highland. Then next you will mark the water bodies. Okay, when you are marking the water bodies, so you will shade the water bodies with blue color. Okay, the first one which will mark is the Pacific Ocean. So here the deepest, the largest ocean we will shade here as the Pacific Ocean. The smallest ocean, that is the Arctic Ocean, which is lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, will mark the Arctic Ocean. Then we will mark the Hudson Bay, which is surrounded by the, here you can see the Hudson Bay surrounded by the Canadian Shield. After locating these 5 points, we will not forget to label the point with pencil. The first point which you will label is the Rockies Mountain. So with an arrow, you will just mark, the head of the arrow should point towards the feature, and you will write here Rockies. Then you will mark the Appalachian Mountain, which is also known as the Eastern Highland or the Appalachian Mountain. Remember, map pointing should always be written in block letter and will always be done with pencil. The third one, that is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Then your Arctic Ocean, which you have marked between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, the Arctic Ocean. And then the last one which we have marked, that is the Hudson Bay. So here we will mark the Hudson Bay. After marking the 5 point, we will see it once again: the Rockies Mountain on the western side, the Appalachian Mountain, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Hudson Bay. Remember these points you have to do. After that you have to write the index. You have to draw an index and you have to write. The blue color is showing the water bodies, the brown color is showing the mountain. Exactly in this form you have to do the map pointing. Next, some of the rules we have to remember while doing the map pointing, that is, you have to shade the mountains with brown, water bodies with blue, use pencil color to shade the point, use pencil to label the points, and always write in block letters. After completing your map pointing, remember to draw an